If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Luna Classic video update. So it seems like there are no any interest for the whales to try to pick back Luna Classic. I don't see these patterns making the strength to go back, and we might potentially see Luna Classic try to drop again. So it's stressful, and that's the reason why my thumbnails are showing a boy who is actually very angry, trying to throw the computer screen away. Because why not? If you're angry, I do get you. I understand why you potentially are angry. So right now we do have Luna Classic making maybe an Elliott wave theory downtrend, and I'm going to give you this Elliott wave theory downtrend in the 5-wave form. So basically you do have this first wave, you're making the second wave, and you made that third wave, you went for the fourth wave, and it seems like you're really trying to go for that fifth wave, and that could potentially even be down at 13805, so wherever that is. One thing is, if this is going to be a flag here, if you make a bear flag right there, then I do think you have a technical target to go from there to there, and you have Luna Classic that is actually looking to go to 13,521. So that's not going to be a good structure. That means a failure of an inverse head and shoulder, a confirmed failure of inverse head and shoulder. And that's why I always say, you know, even if you have a pattern, doesn't matter. As beautiful as the pattern really is, do you remember some few days ago I did make a video regarding burning the ant? So the ant can actually see this as a very beautiful, you know, light, but in reality this light is not light itself, but it's fire, and you know, insects are attracted to fire, and then the insects go to the fire thinking it's light, and then they get burned. Okay, so I actually even did get burned. I got a little bit of a piece of being the ant as well. Why? Well, of course, why not? Because you're making breakouts and you're making retest and backtesting things. It makes sense, right? It's a safe zone. But again, work with stop losses. It's going to save you. It's going to save the day. It's going to save big amount of loss, because people think that professional traders never lose. And that's a myth. Professional traders lose, but they lose with the following word: they lose gracefully. Okay, the word is grace here. There's grace in how they lose, and that's what makes them really professional. Because if you think they're not going to lose, that's actually a lie, because they don't control the market. No one controls the market. The thing is that they use their stop losses, and they could take even 3, 4, 5% you know, risk ratio just to save themselves from having 30% dumps and 40% dumps to the downside. So that's what most professional traders are going to do. You know, they're going to take their chances. They're going to try something out. If it doesn't work in their favor, they take small loss to prevent bigger losses, and that's just one way of being actually professional traders. That's pretty much it for this update on Luna Classic right now. And I see, seems like we're moving for the fifth wave down to 13,862, and that's going to be a failure. I don't think we're going to stop there. We could even potentially keep going lower to maybe 10,000 and 9,000 levels, because this 10,000 and 7,000 is going to be an area where you could have another big support. And that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.